Hello everyone, you are watching Learn with Lovejeet, and in this video I will be covering operators in C language. The first operators are increment and decrement operators. The decrement operator plus plus basically increments 1 to its operand, and the decrement basically subtracts 1 from its operand. Like here, x is equal to 10 and y is uninitialized. Now here y is given the value plus plus x. So this is pre-increment, this is post-increment. In pre-increment, first the value of x will be incremented and then it will be used. So here x becomes 11 and now this 11 is assigned to y. So y 9 contains 11. However, in case of post increment, first the value is used, that is here 10 is assigned to y. So now y contains 10 and then x value is incremented by 1. So now x becomes 11. So here x is 11, y is 11. Here y is 10 and x is 11 after execution of this line. Then we have decrement operator. Decrement operator is also of two types, pre-decrement and post-decrement. In pre-decrement, first the value will be subtracted by 1 and then it will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side. However, in case of post-decrement, first the value will be assigned and then it will be decremented. So here y is equal to 99 because 100 minus 1 equal to 99 and then it will be assigned. Here this is post-increment. So first x is assigned to y. So y is now 100 and then x is equal to 100 minus 1, that is 99. Now these operators can only be applied to variables. Okay, we can't apply these to expressions. Like here, if I write I plus j plus plus, this is an expression. Okay, just a minute. Okay, here here like this is an expression I plus j. Okay, so we can't apply these increment and decrement operators to expressions. These can only be applied to variables. Now moving forward, we have bitwise operators. Bitwise operator means these operators applied or are applied to individual bits of a particular byte of data. Like here, the first one is bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator basically is it will take inputs, two inputs, different inputs like here x and y, and then the output is 1 if at least one of the corresponding bits is 1. Like here x is 8, y is 1, and z is assigned the value of this expression x bitwise or y. Now 8 can be written in binary format as 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 1 is written as 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So now when I perform bitwise OR of these two x and y, what I get, this 0 and 1 becomes 1 because output is 1 if at least one of the corresponding bits is 1. So this becomes 1, this means 0 0 and this 1 0 becomes 1. This is 0 0, so 0 0 0 0, so this becomes 9. This is the binary form for 9. So bitwise OR output is 1 if at least one of the corresponding bits is 1. Now the next is bitwise AND operator. For the bitwise AND operator, the output is 1 when both the corresponding bits are 1. Here, like 8 is written in binary and 1 is written in binary. When I perform bitwise AND on this, 0 1 will be 0 because both the operands, both the bits should be 1. Here one bit is 0, one bit is 1, so output is 0 only. Here 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 and so on. So the result will be 0. So bitwise AND of 8 and 1 will give me 0. So this is bitwise AND operator. Next one is bitwise XOR operator. Now for the XOR operator, the output is 1 if the corresponding bits are opposite. Here I have taken an example X has been assigned value 8, Y has been assigned value 1, and then XOR is performed. Now here 0 and 1 is 1 because the corresponding bits are opposite. Here 0 0, the bits are same, so our result will be 0. 0 0 0 1 0 1 because the corresponding bits are opposite. 0 0 0 and so on. So now the result is 9. For the bitwise XOR operator, the output is 1 if the corresponding bits are opposite. The next one is bitwise not operator. This bitwise not operator output is 1 if the corresponding bits are basically 0. I have to write here if the corresponding bit is 0 and vice versa. Okay, so if it is 1 it will be 0, and if it is 1 it is 0, and if it is 0 then it will be converted to 1. So here it is written here 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Okay, so this 0 is converted to 1, this 0 is converted to 1, this 0 is converted to 1, 1 is 0. Okay, then this 0 becomes 1, this 0 becomes 1, this 0 becomes 1, this 0 becomes 1. So if it is 0 then the bit will be converted to 1, if it is 1 it will convert it to 0. This is basically 1's complement of a number. Then after this we have left shift and right shift. Left shift basically performs or shifts the operand by the number of bit positions given on the right side of this operator. Like I have this operator, this is left shift, and on this side of this operator I will be giving the operand on which I have to perform this operation. So the operand is x, and on the right hand side I have given 1, that is I have to shift the bits of this 9 by 1 to the left. So 9 is written as 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now shift this by 1 to the left, so it will become this 0 0, this 0 here, this 0 here, this one here, and this 0 0 1, and on the right side this is 0 because this comes here. Okay, from this leftmost 0 comes here to the rightmost. So this has been shifted 1 to the left. Now this is binary for 18. Okay, basically when we perform left shift we are multiplying the value by 2, and when we are right shifting a particular value we are basically dividing. So when I am performing right shift on 9 by 1, so what I am getting, I will get 4 in float integer format. Okay, because int z is of integer format, so here z, but 9 by 2 is 4.5, so to avoid loss of information I have to use I should use float type variable. So here this is my x. Okay, right shifted by 1, so the bits will be shifted right towards right by 1. Okay, so this is here 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So what I get, 4. Basically the variable information has been divided by 2. Okay, now the next one and the last one, the conditional expression or ternary operator. This ternary operator is this question mark. So how it works, on the left hand side of this ternary operator I have expression, some expression, and on the right side I have 2 expressions. Now if this expression is true, the output will be this expression 2, otherwise the expression will be 3. So here x is some variable, and now depending on the result of this expression either 1 or 0 will be assigned to x. So 9 is greater than 10, no, false, so x will contain 0. Okay, now here 9 is greater than 1, yes, true, so in case of true this value is assigned, so x contains 1. So this is a ternary operator. If expression 1 is true, expression 2 values is assigned to the left hand side operand. Okay, otherwise expression 3 values is assigned. So this was all about operators in C. Thank you.